Hello everyone and welcome in my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to design a tail light of Audi R8 with SolidWorks. So subscribe in my channel to receive more videos. So in the first I will choose plane. So I go in the front plane and select plane, select 3000 and select OK. Now I select new spline. Now I take this line and start to do like this. And like this. Now take another line and do like this. And like this. Select OK. So try to move handle like this, like the blueprint, and this line. Also try to move this handle like a blueprint. Click offset entities and click like this and click OK. And close this rectangle like this. Choose a line from this point to this point and another line from this point to this point, spline from this point to this point, and another from this to this, and click OK. So now try to move this handle like a blueprint and also move this handle like a blueprint. Click offset entities like this and click OK. So now click another rectangle inside like this and another one here like this, and go to offset entities and select and reverse the direction like this, and also here, and select OK. So now select extrude and select up to face. Select this face and select OK. So now select this plane and select offset face. Select choose a value of 5 mm and click OK. Now click cut with surface. Hide this. Click this surface and choose another side and click OK. So hide this surface. We got a body like this. So now choose another plane from the top plane and select value of 3000 600 and the reverse direction and click OK. Select this plane and hide the body like this. So now click line from this point to this point, and another like this, and another one like this, another one like this, another one like this, and put this line parallel with this line. And now click extrude. Show the body. Extrude to surface, extrude up to surface. Reverse direction. Reverse direction. And click up to surface. And select the surface. And select OK. Plane. Select surface and select offset surface and select this surface and put a value of 5 mm and click OK. So now go to cut with surface and select this surface and reverse the direction and select OK. Hide this surface. Now this is our tile light like this. Select right plane and select mirror, body, and select this body. and select OK. Click Save. Now go to Appearances, Plastic, and choose Clear Plastic. Choose this one. So now go to Appearances, click Edit, and change the color to red color and click OK. Select light, select this one, and select OK, and go now again to Appearances and select LED, white LED, and select this body and select OK. So this is our tail light. So now click Save and go to the assembly car like this. Beautiful. So this is our Audi R8 car. So this is our Audi R8 car. So please subscribe in my YouTube channel to receive more tutorial. Thank you for watching.